Okay students, now we have to study ray diagrams formed by lenses, that is refraction through concave and convex lenses. So before that, we'll study a few terminologies related to convex lens and concave lens. So first we'll start with convex lens. So see, convex lens is a lens which is thick at the center and thin towards the edges. So if I draw a line passing through the center of the lens, then this line is known as principal axis. So this is principal axis. The center of the lens, I am denoting it by O. It is known as optical center. So I'll write here O is optical center of the lens. And as you can see, I can draw two spheres passing through this lens. So it will have two centers, means two center of curvatures. If I draw a sphere on this side, you all know that the mirrors or the lenses are the parts of big spheres, right? So I can draw one sphere on this side. Same way, I can draw another sphere on this side. So on both the spheres, we'll have center. Okay, so that will be the center of curvature of the lens. So in the mirrors, we were having only one center of curvature. But in case of lens, we will have two center of curvatures. So suppose this is the first sphere. So the center of the first sphere will be first center of curvature, and the center of the second sphere, that is this one, this will be the second center of curvature. Okay, so C1 and C2 are center of curvature, and the distance between optical center and C1 is known as radius of curvature. So if I calculate this distance, then this will be radius of curvature. Okay, now focus. So focus will be the midpoint of the optical center and the center of curvature. So midpoint of these two is here. So this is F1, this is the first focus, and on the other side also we will have a focus. So this is F2. So remember that the lenses have two focus and two center of curvature. Now the distance between optical center and focus is known as focal length. So this distance is focal length. So same way I'll have focal length on this side also, and radius of curvature on this side also, and both this focus and the focus on this side. This radius of curvature and the radius of curvature on this side will have same values. Now we'll see the terminologies related to concave lens. So first we'll draw a concave lens. It will be thin from the center and thick towards the edges. The center of the concave lens is also known as optical center, and a horizontal line passing through the optical center is known as principal axis. Okay, again, this lens, you can draw two spheres. See, like we drew two spheres for convex lens, I can draw two spheres for concave lens as well. So these are the two spheres, and I will be again having two center of curvature. So center of this sphere is suppose first center of curvature. Center of this sphere is suppose second center of curvature. The distance between the center of curvature and the optical center is known as radius of curvature. Then the midpoint of C1 and O will be the focus. Same way on this side also I am going to have focus, and the distance between the the distance between the focus and the optical center is known as focal length. Okay, so the terminologies for convex lens and for concave lens are similar.